Hello, welcome back to the channel once again. In this class, we are going to do certain questions from our previous lecture of human reproduction part 1. So without wasting any more time, let us begin. The first question is, which of the following is the first cell of the offspring? Now you have already studied that when an offspring is formed, preceding the formation of the offspring, there are many events that happens. It begins from gametogenesis and then goes on and on and on till fertilization, and after fertilization, a single diploid cell is formed. What is the name of that diploid cell? Yes, correct. It is called zygote. It is neither blastula, it is not morula, it is not blastocyst. Now, you know that after the formation of zygote, morula is formed, and after morula, blastocyst is formed. Some of you may wonder, what is blastula? What is blastula? Actually, blastula and blastocyst are almost the same thing. Blastula is a term that is mostly used for non-mammals, while blastocyst is specifically used for humans. Okay, so this is given here just to confuse you, but of course, the correct answer is zygote, which is the first cell of the offspring. I hope this question is clear. Moving on, we will come to the second question. Which of the following statements regarding gametes is false? We have to find out the false statement. So we will write true and false in front of the statement, and then we'll be able to easily find out which statement is false. Gametes are also known as sex cells. This is a true statement. Gametes are also known as sex cells. Gametes are haploid in nature. Very true. Gametes are haploid in nature, while rest of the body cells are diploid in nature. Gametes are the cells that are responsible for sexual reproduction. Yes, for sexual reproduction to occur, gametes are needed. In most cases, this is also a true statement. Then reproduction without gametes is not possible. Reproduction without gametes is not possible. This is a false statement. Why this is a false statement? Because we have studied that there are two kinds of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, and there is no gamete formation in case of asexual reproduction. Therefore, this is the false statement, and this is our answer. The third question is very easy. Identify the correct order of events in human reproduction. You have to identify the correct order. I have already given you an image, which is basically a chart showing the events in chronological order that happen in human reproduction. So, gametogenesis, zygote formation, implantation, wrong. After gametogenesis, we have fertilization, not zygote formation. Gametogenesis, then directly implantation and parturition, wrong. Gametogenesis, morula formation, blastocyst formation, wrong. Gametogenesis, fertilization, zygote formation. This is the true answer. So D is correct over here. Let's move on. Then here are three questions that you have to find out the answer for and write it in the comments. You have to find out which mammal has the shortest gestation period. You remember the definition of gestation period? Gestation period is basically the period from implantation till parturition. What is gestation period? It is the period from implantation to parturition. Please excuse my bad handwriting because I am not very um, able to write on this pen tab. So that is why. But anyways, find out which mammal has shortest gestation period. You will have to find it out and write it in the comments. Then your fifth question is find out which mammal has the longest gestation period. Also, you have to write this in comments below. And the last question for today is, what is the name that is given to the special type of mitotic division that zygote undergoes? Let me tell you that zygote, when zygote is formed, it forms morula and then it forms blastula. So during this time, the zygote is continuously undergoing mitotic divisions. But these mitotic divisions are quite different from the normal mitotic divisions that we see in our body. And therefore, scientists have given them a special name because they have certain special characteristics that make them different from other mitotic divisions. So you have to find out that name of those special mitotic divisions and answer it. So I hope this video was useful for you, and we will meet again with the next video. Till then, thank you.